To make the bow for the bear or the bunny, you can use a regular ribbon, which is adorable, or you can use what's in the pattern, which is just fabric, which is awesome because you can use different print to bring out another element in that design. So the dimensions are in the pattern, but you're just going to sew up the outside, just leaving an opening for turning. Grade out the corners, turn it. I could hand close it, but it's not necessary. With double thread, a knot at the end, I'm just going to go down the middle and do just a few very long running stitches like that, just right down the middle. I would use matching thread, and then I wrap it just to keep it secure and pull it. That's all there is to it. And then hand sew it up under the chin. You have to lift the chin, sew it in there. Of course, it would look better with matching thread. Super easy to make that bow. Hope that helped.